If you've been thinking about buying Grace and Anna but you're not sure if it's actually worth it, here's my experience after checking it out. First, I have to say I was a bit skeptical. There are so many products that promise amazing results but don't always deliver. So I wanted to see whether Grace and Anna was genuinely different or just another overhyped product. After spending some time with it, I found that it does have some strong points. The overall quality is good, it's easy to use, and it's clear that some thought went into the design. I also liked that it didn't feel overly complicated, which makes it suitable even if you're new to this kind of product. That said, it's not perfect. Depending on what you're looking for, the price might feel a little high, and some features may not be essential for everyone. So I wouldn't say it's a must-buy for every single person. Overall, I think Grace and Anna is worth considering if it fits your needs and budget. I'd give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. Just make sure you know what you're buying and what you expect from it. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.